Yeah, Jai Hind, those students, turn on your videos for the attendance. I'm taking the attendance. All of you. Jai Hind, all of you. Turn on your videos for the attendance. First of all, have a silence for 10 seconds in the name of God. Then we'll start the attendance. Yes, open your videos. Ashi, better turn on your videos, all of you. Ashi, beta, where is Ashi still? Ashi, Ashray,
Present, sir.
Okay, beta, turn on your video. Abhay Kakran, Abhay, turn on your videos.
Sir. Present.
Abhay Singh, Aditi,
Present, sir.
Okay, Aditya,
Present, sir.
Ashwarya, Akshit, Ansh, Ashish, you are joining late. Ashish, you are joining late. Krish, Devansh, you are joining late. You should be on time always. Atin, Bhavishya, Khushi, you are joining late. Bhavishya, Chirag, Devansh,
Present,
Okay.
sir.
Dhruv, Divya, Gagandeep, Gargi, turn on your video. Okay. Ilsa, Janvi.
Jai Hind, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Jaswinder.
Bhavishya John present.
Okay. Bhavishya present. Jaswinder, Keshav, are you there? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Khushi, turn on your video, beta. Khushi. Okay. Then Kriti. Samarth, you are joining late. How many times I have to tell? Khushi, Kriti, Krish, Kumari Gargi, Pat Kumar, Tuli, Pranay. Are you there, Pranay? Beta, turn on your video. Prashant.
Present, sir.
Okay. Prathamesh, Prerna, Pritika, Ria, are you there? Ria, Samarth, turn on your video. Samarth Walia, Vanshika. Okay. What we have done in the last turn, we have discussed how to find the mean of the given data.
Excuse me, sir.
Beta, bolo. Tell.
Sir, you can, sir, if you wish us to teach on with whiteboard and marker, You can also, so we can rotate our screen on PC also by pressing Control plus Alt plus arrows keys.
अच्छा अच्छा, you can.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा
So
अच्छा, कोई
there
बात.
will be no problem of direction.
Okay, तुम्हारे वजह से तो I've taken this format. Okay, कोई बात नहीं. So what we have done how to find the mean and of the ungrouped data. क्या फॉर्मूला था mean of the ungrouped data? Anyone? Mean of the ungrouped data? Mean of
Sigma SI upon N.
All observation.
ungrouped data. That was sigma xi upon n, and the value of I is from 1 to n. This is the formula to find the mean of the ungrouped data. Now what is the sign to find the mean? X bar is the sign for finding the mean of the ungrouped data. Now what is the formula to find the mean of grouped data? Grouped data. What is the formula to find the mean of the group data? Sigma fi xi upon sigma fi, where value of I is from 1 to n, where the value of I is 1 to n. Let us take an example where to find the mean of the group data. Okay, ungrouped you have done many times in your lower classes. Now to find the mean of the group data, suppose we have a test of 5 marks. Okay, and number of students getting 0 mark, 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 marks, 4 marks, and 5 marks. Suppose the number of students who are getting these marks be number of students. Let us take the 0 marks obtained by 1 student, 1 mark is obtained by 2 students, 2 marks student suppose 4 students, 3 marks obtained by suppose 2 students, and 4 marks obtained by suppose 6 students, and 5 marks obtained by suppose 5 students. Now you have to find the mean of the marks obtained by these students. तो कैसे करते हैं, कौन बताएगा? How we find the mean of this group data? Anyone? How we find it?
X plus 1 frequency निकालेंगे.
Good. First of all, we call it xi, we call it fi, and we multiply fi with xi. We multiply it. So multiply xi with fi. 0 into 1, it is 1. 1 into 2, it is 2.
2.
2 into 4, that is 8.
8.
3 into 2.
So 0 into 1, 6.
0. Beta 0 into 1, 0. ठीक है बेटा, correction कर लो. And it is 3 into 2, it is 6. 4 into 6, 24, and 5 into 5, 25. Now add it. इसको ऐड करिए, टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी को ऐड इट. हाउ मच द टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी? 20, एंड इट ऐड इट कितना? 49, 55, 63, 65. ये आपका 65. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? सिग्मा fi xi है ना, ये सिग्मा fi xi होता है. दिस इज सिग्मा fi. तो क्या फॉर्मूला था? व्हाट फॉर्मूला वी हैव डन? वी हैव डन mean to find the group data is sigma fi xi, that is sum of the product of fi and xi, and upon sigma fi. So kya hai? It is 65, and what is the value of sigma fi? 20. So this is the mean of the marks obtained by how many students? 20 students out of how many marks? 5 marks. This we have done. So this we have done in the last turn. ये हमने last turn पे करा था. Okay. Now today we'll discuss the next tangent frequency, which is known as the median. Which is known as median. Anyone? Median क्या होता है? कौन बताएगा? Median.
Mid value of the
mid number of
mid value of the two
data.
Median is the middle value, middle data when the data is arranged in ascending or descending order. Middle value of the data, middle term of the observations written in ascending or descending order. Okay. So now formula to find the median is, अगर number of terms क्या है? Odd terms है suppose. if we have odd terms, so median is n plus 1 upon 2th term, n plus 1 upon 2th term. अगर even numbers of terms हैं, even terms,
n upon 2.
then n by 2th term, n by 2th term, n by 2 plus 1th term upon 2. We have to always write the data या observation in ascending or descending order. उसकी जो बीच की वैल्यू होती है, that is known as the median. So this is the formula to find the median for the odd number of terms, and this is the formula to find the median when the number of terms are even. Now to find the median, I am taking the question number 1 of your exercise. You have to find the median also of question number 1. Okay, open your book. Question number 1. Question number 1. You have to find the median of the following data. Median of following data: 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 3, 4, 3. Is it correct? Check all of you. Have you written all the terms? Check it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 3, 4, 3. Now, when you have to find the median, always write the term in ascending order. Write all the terms in ascending order. Ascending order में लिखते हैं. You can write also in the descending order. So ascending order is this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 3. How many times 3? 4 times. 4, 4, and 5. Is it clear to everyone? You know the ascending order? What is the meaning of ascending? What is the meaning of ascending order?
From small to greater.
Smaller to greater. Now, to find the median, we find how many terms are there. Either they are the even number of terms or the odd number of terms. Either they are even number of terms or odd number of terms. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 terms हैं यहाँ पर. How many terms? 10 terms. That is even numbers of terms हैं. Even numbers of terms. So which formula we will use? We will use this formula. So what is the value of n here? N कितना है? N यहाँ पर 10 है. तो median का क्या formula हमने बताया था? What is the formula for the median? N even number of terms के लिए n by 2th term,
n upon 2 plus
n upon 2 plus 1th term. इसके बाद में बहुत आसान तरीका भी बताऊंगा आपको निकालने का. ये तो formula हो ही गया. एक I'll tell you the easy formula, easy method to find the median also without using the formula. But you have, in the exam you have to find the median by using the formula. Now what is the value of n? N कितना है हमारे पास? 10. So it will be 10 upon 2th term, 10 upon 2th term. Then we have 10 upon 2 plus 1th term upon 2. तो कौन कौन से टर्म होंगे बेटा? कौन बताएगा? ये कितना हो गया? 10 upon 2. How much it is? 5. 5th term. ये कितना हो गया? 10 upon 2, 5 और 1. 6th term upon 2. ठीक है? 5th term and 6th term. कौन बताएगा? What is the 5th term? 5th term. This is the first, second, third, fourth, 5th. This is the 5th term.
3.
How much it is? It is 3. It is 3. What is the 6th term? ये आपका 6th term हो गया.
3.
It is again 3. By chance it is same. Upon 2. So 3. Now the 3 is the median of this ungrouped data. And median you have to find only for the ungrouped data. आपके syllabus में केवल ungrouped data ही है. In the group data you will do in the class 10. Okay. So this is the method
Yes,
to
sir.
find the median of the ungrouped data when the number of terms are even. जब number of terms हमारे पास even हैं, तो what is the formula? n by 2 plus 1 at term upon 2. तो n by 2 मतलब 10 upon 2, 5 fifth term और sixth term. Consecutive terms होती हैं हमेशा ये. उसका average. Average means you have to divide by 2. So fifth term is 5 here. Sixth term is also 5, and you add it and divide it by 2. You will get the median of this ungrouped data when we have even numbers of terms. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear? एक आसान तरीका बताता हूं मैं. देखिए, without formula I can tell the median. ठीक है? It is the average for the even number of terms. It is the average of the middle term, 2 middle terms. Average means middle term. Suppose which are the 2 middle term of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. इसकी 2 middle term है 3 and 3. तो बिना फॉर्मूले में middle term पर चल गया, तो you add the 2 middle terms and divided by 3 and divided by 3. You add the 2 middle terms in the even number of terms and divided by 2. Average of the 2 middle terms. When the data is written in ascending or descending order. आप डाटा को ascending या descending.
ये बड़े वाले फॉर्मूला करना पड़ेगा ना.
हाँ, फॉर्मूला you have to use. एग्जाम में you have to, लेकिन अगर कहीं जल्दी से जरूरत पड़ रही है आपको, तो you can find it directly. ठीक है? कहीं स्पीडी जरूरत है, you can do it directly. ठीक है? But in the exam you have to show with the formula. So this is the question number 1. इनमें median find करना था. ठीक है? In question number 2 also you have to find the median. So first of all, write the data in the ascending order. You write the data in the ascending order. Read the question number 2. What is the data it's given? Question number 2 mein what is the data? What is the data is given? It is 41, 39, 48, 52. All of you have book with you? All of you? सबके पास बुक है बेटा?
Yes, sir.
46, 52, 46. Then we have 62. Then 54. See, I am writing it correct or not? 40. Check the question. 96. Then we have 52. 98. Is it correct? 40. Then after 40 we have 42. After 42 we have 52 and 60. So what you have to do to find the median? Who will tell? To find the median, what we have to do?
Sir, first we have to
Sum of all observation.
Oh,
Sir,
oh,
what
ascending
we
order
have
and
to
No, who
Ascending
is
order.
saying that? We
ascending
don't-
order में करना है पहले.
First of all, you have to write in ascending order. Ascending
to
order.
12.
Write in ascending order. So I am writing in the ascending order. 39, 40 seat. Correct. बताते जाइए. 39, 40. Again 40 we have.
41,
41, 42.
42.
After that
46.
46. After 46 we have 48. Then
52.
52. How many times 52 are there? There are 3 times 52. 3 times. Check karo.
Yes, sir. 3 times.
I think it is 3 times. 52,
Yes, sir.
54.
54.
After 54 we have
60.
54. We have 60. Then we have 62.
62.
Then we have 96 and 98. 98.
90.
Okay. And after that क्या check करते हैं हम? Who will tell? After writing in the ascending order, what we check?
the number of
The
terms
number of
even
terms.
or
हाँ, पहले number of terms पता करते हैं कितनी है यहाँ पर. Number of terms even है odd है. Number of terms कितनी है check करो. How many terms we have?
15 or
कितना है? 15 है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 है. 15 का मतलब odd number of terms है. Odd number of terms है. We have odd number of terms. odd number of terms. Okay, तो क्या फॉर्मूला होता है मीडियन के लिए? odd number of terms कौन बताएगा? Who will tell? Median for the odd number of terms. ये n होता है.
n plus 1 upon 2.
n plus 1 upon 2.
Very good. n plus 1 upon 2. तो n कितना है? 15 plus 1 upon 2. So it means it is 16 upon 2, 8th term. 8th term is the median of this. So what is the 8th term? 1,
52.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 8th term. So the median of this is 52. Directly you can also find it out without using the formula. If the number of terms are odd, then the exactly middle value will be the median. So median is the middle value of the middle observation when the data is arranged in the ascending or descending order. ये तो आसान ही है. It is clear? Clear है बेटा सबको ये? Question number 1 contain the even number of terms, and in question number 2 contains odd number of terms. For the odd number of terms, to find the median we have n plus 1 upon 2th term. N plus 1 upon 2th term. Okay, you can note it down. Those who want to do it, you can note it down. After that, question number 3 is important. Question number 3 is important. Question number 3. Question number 3. Read the question number 3, all of you. It is a good question. In this, the median is given. Question number 3, the median is given. Median of the data is given. What is the median is given? Who will tell? Median is given as 63. Okay, and the data is, the numbers are already written in the ascending order. It is given that in the question that the number are written in the ascending order. So 29, 32, 48, 50, then we have x, then x plus 2, then we have 72, 78, 84 and 95. This data is given, which is already written in the ascending order, and the median of this data is given. The median of this data is given. हमें median given है. And what you have to find? You have to find this unknown value x. Okay? Is it clear? Question is clear to everyone? Aditya, you tell. Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Question clear है? चलो.
Yes, sir.
अब पहले हम what we find, क्या पता करते हैं इसमें हम मीडियन पता करने के लिए?
The number of terms.
हाँ, नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स कितनी है इसमें? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स यहाँ पर 10 है, मतलब इवन टर्म्स है, इवन नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स है. तो विल यूज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ द मीडियन फॉर द इवन नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स. क्या फॉर्मूला होता है मीडियन? n by 2th term. यही होता है n by
1 upon 2.
n upon 2 plus 1th term upon 2. So n upon 2th means n कितना है? n is 10 upon 2. तो फिफ्थ कौन सी टर्म हो गई? फिफ्थ. तो नेचुरल सी बात है ये सिक्स्थ ही होगा. जब ये फिफ्थ है तो कंसेक्यूटिव नेक्स्ट टर्म विल बी सिक्स्थ. तो फिफ्थ टर्म, सिक्स्थ टर्म डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इज इक्वल टू मीडियन. और मीडियन हमें गिवन है हाउ मच? 63. हमें मीडियन गिवन है 63. नाउ व्हाट इज द फिफ्थ टर्म? फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म, फोर्थ टर्म एंड फिफ्थ टर्म. ये आपका फिफ्थ टर्म हो गया. व्हाट इज द सिक्स्थ टर्म? x plus 2. x plus 2 is the sixth term upon 2 is equal to 63. I think you can now find the values of x because it is a linear equation. You cross multiply it by 2. x plus x is how much? 2x plus 2, take 2 to the left hand side, it will be 124, and divided by 2, 124, it will be how much? 62. See the calculation. The value of
Sir,
x here
x
is,
equal to 62 and x plus 2 is equal to 64.
you have to find only the value of x. You have to find only the value of x. मतलब fifth term आपका, fifth term is how much? 62. So next term is 2 more, that is 64. लेकिन in this problem you have to find the value of x only. केवल आपको x पता करना है. Clear है बेटा? You can note it down this. आप इसको note कर सकते हैं. I have sent you the solutions of this statistic to all of you. Solution मैंने भेज दिया आपको? नहीं. Anyone? Solution of statistics I have sent to you or not? Okay, I will send the printed solution of this chapter NCERT today and the recorded lectures also. Okay, I will send you this again the recorded lectures covering all the exercises of this chapter statistics as well as the printed solution of this NCERT, and you will get the assignments containing short answer type, long answer type, as well as the MCQs and HOTS questions on your group portal. You can download from there. Okay? Or after 1 to 2 days, I will send those on your group also. Official group में भी भेज दूंगा मैं. Okay? But today I will send you the solution of this NCERT book, NCERT statistics chapter, and the recorded lectures covering the full chapter of statistics. Is it clear? Is it clear? Aditi, you tell.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear?
Yes,
Kumari
sir.
Gargi,
Yes, sir.
Kumari Gargi, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So I'll send it today. Okay. Now read the next question. This question is clear to everybody. This question is clear to everybody.
Yes, sir.
Question number 3. It is an important question. It is an important question. Okay. You can note it down. I'm waiting. What happened? Yes, beta. Now read the next question. Now after that, the next question you have to find the mode. Now who will tell what is the meaning of mode? What is the meaning of mode?
The most frequently occurring
Most frequently occurring observation in the ungrouped data is known as the mode. Most frequently occurring observation. Yeah, simple language में that observation which is coming most of the time is जिसका जो frequency है maximum है उसको हम mode बोलते हैं. For example, question number 4 ही ले रहा हूँ मैं example के लिए. Now data is given as 14, then we have 25, then we have 14, 28, 18, 17, again 18, 14, 23, 14, 23, 22, 14, and 18. Is it correct? I have written all the observations. See it carefully. Have I
Yes,
written
sir.
all the observations? देखो बेटा. To find the mode as well, you try to write the observations in ascending order. वैसे तो बिना ascending के भी हो जाएगा, but it is easy. It becomes easy to find the mean as well as the mode as well as the median if you write the data या observation in the ascending order. ठीक है? Also write this in the ascending order. तो रखिए इसको ascending order में रखिए. क्या आएगा ascending order में? 14, 14, 14, 14, then 17, 18, 18, 18, then we have 22, 23, 25 and 28. Now, by writing this data in the ascending order, देखो कितना easy हो गया. 14 is occurring how many times? How many times it is occurring?
4
Times. 18 is occurring how many times? Only 3 times.
times.
So, which is most frequently occurring?
14. 14
14.
is the mode of this
So the mode of this data is 14. The observation which is occurring most frequently या जो सबसे ज्यादा बार अकर होता है किसी भी डाटा में, ठीक है, ascending descending में, that observation is known as the mode of the given data. उसको हम mode बोलते हैं. Clear है बेटा? Is it clear? Clear हो गया ना? Now you can do the next part. You can do the next part. Okay? You can do the. Speak loudly. Who's asking? Who's asking?
सर आदित्य कुमार चंदेल.
बोलो बेटा. What do you want?
जो मीडियन मोड मीन होते हैं वो सारे एवरेज निकालने के लिए होते हैं.
नो बेटा, ये तो डिफरेंट है. देखो, मीन तो एवरेज होता है. मीन इज द एवरेज. ठीक है. मीडियन इज द मिडल मोस्ट वैल्यू ऑफ द डाटा व्हेन इट इज अरेंज्ड इन असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. वो केवल बीच की वैल्यू होती है मीडियन असेंडिंग डिसेंडिंग लिखने पर. और मोड क्या होता है? मोड जो ऑब्जर्वेशन सबसे ज्यादा बार आता है. जैसे इसमें 14 इज अकरिंग 4 टाइम्स, तो सबसे ज्यादा बार कौन आ रहा है? दिस इज 14 is occurring most of the time. So the mode of this data is 14.
मीन और मोड होता है दोनों एवरेज ही निकालते हैं. सर मोड में
बेटा,
भी
average
जो
नहीं.
ज्यादा होता है वो
ना
average
बेटा,
होता है.
एवरेज नहीं होता. एवरेज केवल मीन होता है. बार बार कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो आप. I've just told you मीन इज द एवरेज. वो सेंट्रल टेंजेंसी कहलाते हैं तीनों को. we call all of them as a central tendency. बीच की वैल्यू और बीच की वैल्यू में थोड़ा थोड़ा डिफरेंस है इन सब में. जो मीन होता है इट इज दी एवरेज. सबको ऐड करके नंबर ऑफ टर्म से डिवाइड कर लो, you'll get the एवरेज. मैंने एग्जांपल लेके भी आपको क्लियर करा था उस दिन स्टार्टिंग में. कोई बात नहीं. इन दी मीन यू हैव टू, मीन्स का मतलब है एवरेज निकालना. लेकिन मीडियन का मीन्स मतलब है व्हेन यू राइट द डाटा इन असेंडिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर, जो उसकी बीच की वैल्यू है, मिडिल वैल्यू, वो उसका मीडियन होता है. तो एवरेज नहीं कहलाता है, वो तो कोई सा भी नंबर आ जाएगा. ऐसी मोड मोड को भी असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिख लो. एंड विच इज अकरिंग मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स इज नोन एज द मोड. तो ये भी कोई सा भी नंबर आ सकता है, लेकिन जो मीन होगा वो आपका एवरेज आएगा. सब नंबर को ऐड करके नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन से आप डिवाइड कर देंगे. इज इट क्लियर आदित्य? इज इट क्लियर नाउ? इज इट क्लियर?
यस सर.
हाँ, ठीक है. यस, एनी अदर प्रॉब्लम? Now you can do. We have discussed all the question of this exercise. Okay. Yes. Anyone have any problem in this? Anyone have any problem in this exercise or this chapter? No. Okay.
So, एक बात